it's Erica here, back again from Marco Pasolini Health Clinic to carry on together our conversation regarding weaning. It's really important that we give enough psychological support to our baby in order to let him enjoy this lovely transition period. We should avoid feeding him in the same place where we usually offer breastfeeding or the bottle, and avoid setting him on our lap for safety reasons. What should we do? The best thing is to put our baby sit in a nice secure seatbelt high chair and sit ourselves straight in front of him. Face to face is the best way for him to communicate with us, even with the cute. How can we prepare baby's food? Well, as a mom and as a chef, I completely confirm that the cooking method is really important. We should try to prepare a simple food to be digested and try to preserve as much nutrition as possible. Therefore, steaming and boiling match our goals. We should use organic products and wash the veg with the water really careful. We can even add some bicarbonate of soda. That's help to kill the bacteria and eliminate pesticides that unfortunately has been used on our products. To make a nice veg stock, we should cut the veg in a small piece and cook them in a cold water for around 10 minutes. If we want to use the veg in pieces or in a puree, the best thing is to steam them. The same method could be applied for fruit. Personally, and under my pediatric advice, I start with carrots, potato and courgette, mash it all together. So my first 3 kids' meal was a lovely cream with all these 3 veg, mash it together and season with a teaspoon of Parmesan cheese and a drop of a lovely extra virgin olive oil. And guess what, Mom? My kids' plate was always empty. Nice food, no adding salt, no adding sugar, easy to digest and very yummy. See you on the next video with more tips and recipe. Bye!